Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasata maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. O nwere ife okwu n'ilu akwụkwọ mma achọ ka unu ga-esi ya bụ ife ọ na-adọrọpụrụ anyị ifu nche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ihe ndị a niile okwu. Alright, over to you, sir.
Every department are intact. There is a government and there is a structure. And like the COS said, the zoo terrorists should feel sorry for themselves because the Biafra Defense Forces will be extra brutal and 100% pro-max now. Since we have understood that you guys want to play Utere dance, you will dance Utere dance and we will see who dance best. So if you know what to do best, bring it on. Hey, the Biafran people are so ready. I wasn't taken unaware that my prime minister will be on that big seat to answer questions to the Biafran people. No, because it is part of the template that we have to follow. So it is a very big privilege that the entire world will hear of Biafra even before the declaration. So every Biafran should be hitting their chest to say, we have gotten the entire world on their blockers. That is what you should be doing now. So be happy and please make sure you keep up to every duties assigned to you. We will attend to like 3 questions, just 3 questions because of time, just 3 questions. So if we see your hand up quickly, that will be done. So Veteran Dragon 2, just 3 questions. Veteran Dragon 2, you take the mic first. Go straight to your question. Veteran Dragon 2, over to you.
Yeah, thank you. Please.
Veteran Dragon, Honorable Sonny, before he goes, please. A lot of Biafrans are asking for the email, phone number for the Finnish local authority. And I would just encourage Biafrans, if you don't have it before we close, I know the Biafran media through Honorable Sonny will be able to release all the necessary information, the email, their phone numbers, and that of the Finnish government, hopefully immediately after this on Zoom. Thank you so much, Honorable Sonny. Go ahead.
Thank you, Veteran Dragon. Over to you.
Yeah, please, is my voice coming out, please?
Yes, we can hear you loud and clear.
Okay, thank you so much. It is my pleasure to thank our COS and to thank the media department and to thank our finance minister and to thank the entire cabinet members of Biafran Republic government in exile. What you've just done this evening, you've done what is expected of a responsible government. And I want to say thank you so much. We have listened to what you said, but let me add my voice. Biafrans, we have come a long way. Injustice being meted on us have come a long way. We have suffered enough in the hands of barbaric, terrorist, Islamic government. And time has come for our freedom. And so, like you said, we are all prepared to pay any price to make sure that Biafra comes. So whatever is happening now is part of what should happen in freedom fighting. It is not strange. Nobody is moved. Nobody should be moved. This is a very beautiful opportunity we have been looking forward to. A time when we shall be called as a government to explain our plight, to explain our grievances, and Elohim have provided that beautiful opportunity. So our Prime Minister is going to explain the issues that has to do with Biafra. So I thank him for taking up this responsibility. We Biafrans, we are not moved in any way. It is now we are more determined to become whatever will make it possible for our freedom to come. We will either become the beasts or wild animals to make sure that our servitude and our slavery and our extermination does not continue in this so-called zoo. Thank you so much, Biafrans, anywhere you are, whether in homeland, whether abroad, whether in the diaspora, wherever you are. This is the time to show that we are Biafrans. There is a spirit that lives in Biafrans. It's a spirit of courage. It's a spirit that does not fear. It's a spirit that can meet any challenge and surmount it. So, gallant Biafrans, stand up with your full chest. Our declaration and the convention that is coming between 29th to 3rd of December cannot be disrupted. What we are doing is legal. We have over 50 million votes of Biafrans who are suffering under the slavery and the terrorism of the so-called Nigerian state. So this number is enough. Anywhere, no government in exile have ever had a number of this magnitude. So we are legally doing what we are doing with this mandate. We are continuing the fight to freedom. So our men on ground, please do whatever you can now. Let your best come. Every Nigerian man in uniform, whether in the army, in the police, anywhere you find them in Biafra land, they are terrorists. Disseminate them. Destroy the enemy. Set the Biafrans free. Enough is enough. The zoo have fallen and they cannot hold us back. So whatever thing they are doing, petition they are writing, it is too late. It is too late. Having experienced the first war of genocide against us, we are more determined, more prepared to pay the supreme price. So Biafrans, this is the time to be stronger, to be more courageous. Let's march on and make sure that our freedom is certain and sure and delivered. Thank you, every one of you. I salute you. I salute my Prime Minister. I salute our Supreme Leader, wherever he is. We are not backing down. We are marching forward. Shame to Nigeria. Shame to the zoo. They have fallen. So fantastically corrupt. as said by the former Prime Minister of UK. And that is what they are. They are terrorists. And we can never be part of the terrorist country. We can never be part of terrorist country. Never, never, never.
All right.
So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Minister Sonny. I think thank you so much. If we can, anybody, when you want to talk, Mr. Sonny, we can just keep it 1 minute. So much, it's so much. Their friends are so happy, so excited. There are so many hands up. So I know initially we planned just to take 3 hands, but at this point, with all the people that want to add their mind, if we can just take it. But everybody, please be mindful. Just 1 minute. We have over 10,000 watching this. In this Zoom alone, we're almost 395, almost 400. This is extraordinary. This shows you how Biafrans love our PM Simon Ekpa. Honorable Sonny, please go ahead. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we come to Nnamdi Anosike. Unmute yourself. And before Nnamdi goes on, please, the zoo terrorist Nigeria do not have an edge on our Prime Minister. Our Prime Minister is being interrogated by his own country government, not the zoo government. So the zoo government has no edge on him. If they had an edge on him, they would have had him in one Nigeria, like they kidnap our leader. So no need for panic, no need for misunderstanding of the report. Nnamdi Anosike, over to you.
Very good evening to my honorable members, the zoo, especially our COS, Sagacious woman. You have really made us proud. We are very, very grateful. What you have done to us, what you have done is indelible in our heart. We are really great. Biafran. So I don't have any question, just that I didn't know what to tell my people. You know, we've been every one of us, we've been like, you know, berserk, running around, and when we've not gotten any information. But for the fact now that COS has given us the light of what is really going on, I think we are now proud. I knew that this is what we really wanted. And when they said they invited our prime minister or they arrested him, well, it's not a new thing. This is what we had expected. So it's nothing to panic about, because now our prime minister, the zoo government, they are going to expose themselves more. So I don't have anything. It's just an encouragement for every one of us to remain resolute. Nothing is done. For the penal convention, we are coming there. Everything is done. I just throw my weight on our COS. But you know, I don't need to move. I use my mic for now. Thank you.
Thank you. We come to Omeze Emmanuel. Omeze Emmanuel, unmute yourself. Stick to your 1 minute, please.
Okay. Good evening, sirs.
There we go.
My name is Omeze Emmanuel. I'm really happy for this Zoom meeting this night, because throughout the day I've been moody about the news I had, but this encouraged me that nothing is gonna change the Biafra liberation on 2nd December. So I thank my CSO for the encouragement she gave. I'm really happy. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. We come to Gregory Obuju. Over to you.
Thank you, my Biafra families. I thank God so much for our information ministers. Thank God for all the team. Thank God for COS. I thank God for whatever information. But I believe that for them that love God, everything works for their good. So I only just want to use this opportunity to encourage our Biafrans that this is the time we have to come together more stronger, more family, and more prayerful. in anything, because this is the time we started this. Like we have entered pure into real freedom.
And by ekenekwe ni muno kunu sinesele na Igbo media bụ ebe anyị si wetara na ya bụ ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ya bụ ife Biafran Prime Minister kwuru n'elu akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi nke taa. Eke ife were ikwu gbasịta maka ya bụ ife ndị a niile okwu gasị dị iche iche dropụrụ anyị ife iche n'elu akwụkwọ na comment section na Igbo media. Ndị be anyị asị na n'Igbo ya adị na ya dị ka echi ada agwụ ọgwụ. Ise. Thank you and God bless.